yesterday was new, today seems to be old. This is because the legs of the people change quickly. It's not just a rule for fashion market. This trend expands to all the markets. Even building materials and furniture design ought to renew quickly. Otherwise, they do not follow the preferences of the customers. For that reason, the development of a new product ought to be as quick and cheap as possible. Today, even traditional products such as wooden boards ought to be redesigned to follow the market trends. PRINTODECO is focused on this challenge, making product development easier for SMEs. Within the project, 4 companies collaborate with a shared objective, make possible to develop a new decorative board in just 48 hours. The partners are not alone. PRINTODECO is granted by COSME, the program focused on consumer-oriented small and medium enterprises, which is boosted by the European Agency for Small and Medium Enterprises. Designers always look for newness and originality. Therefore, they never feel their need within the limits of the catalog. PRINTODECO provides an innovative online catalog. The designer can use it to build an exclusive design. The tool developed by Stack makes possible to select a certain decorative patterns. Later, the user can adjust the brightness, color, and saturation of that pattern. Thanks to this, an exclusive decorative motif is created. The technology developed also allows combining color and texture. Doing this, it's possible to get a high-quality image that accomplishes the preferences of the designer. In addition to this, at the same time that the designer imagines, he provides the information to the printer and the board maker, dimensions, number of boards, etc. Printing is a technical job. Ensuring the quality of the printed image is not easy. There are many questions such as color fidelity, image resolution, and chemical compatibility with the downstream processes. The partnership of the PRINTODECO project has established a framework for working. Clear rules for image quality ensure the process to flow from designer's creation to high-quality printed paper. By means of this, the innovative designs enter into the printing workflow. As soon as the designer launches an order, the system validates the file and places it in the printing queue. The printing process is possible thanks to large format printers using special inks. This technology is the result of previous efforts on R&D. Once printed, regular logistics are used to move the printed paper from the printer to the board maker. By means of PRINTODECO framework, the printed paper enters into the traditional production of melamine boards. Most of the furniture is made using melamine boards. This material is cheap and functional. Therefore, it's used for kitchen, bedroom, and also in office and public spaces. The production process starts with the impregnation of the printed paper. Later, the impregnated paper is hard-pressed over a board. By means of this, the covered board is produced. Thanks to the resin, the board has a flat, hard, shiny, and durable surface. As the resin is transparent, the pattern printed in the paper is visible across it. By the end of the day, the boards have been produced according to the order of the designer. The material leaves the wood industry towards the carpentry. Most of the furniture carpentry is produced on demand. By means of this, stocks and obsolescence is reduced. As the material reaches the carpentry, it's clear how it will be used. The first action is cutting the board into the pieces needed for the design. Then, the edges are completed by adding the banding. The furniture is based on boxes and doors. The boxes ought to be glued and pressed. Meanwhile, the most decorative boards are used for doors. Once the furniture is made, it has to be packed in cardboard boxes, and the boxes grouped to form a shipping. By the end of the day, the order is delivered to the client. So most of the furniture is made with melamine boards. Those boards are built using a substrate formed by chipboards, a printed paper overlaid, and a melamine resin bath that fix it together. The look of the board depends on the printed paper, but the paper is printed using analogic technology. This means large-scale production, huge costs, and big companies. Digital printing changed the rules. It allows small round lengths. It also reduces the costs, making possible that small companies compete. Thanks to the COSME program, 4 Spanish companies have developed a solution for that need. In 2018, they validated a service that allows to design and produce brand new decorative boards in just 48 hours.